Nonsense.
I don't know what is wrong with this kind of boy. Eh? I don't just know what is wrong with you this time. Ever since my wife divorced me, which is your mother, I've been trying to see how I can make you responsible in this community. But I don't just know you just decide to be a nuisance in this community. And I've sworn with my ancestor from today, anytime the police catch you again, any day the police arrest you again for stealing again, I will never bail you. I'll allow the police to lock you permanently. You just need to go and spend the money that I did not have this morning. Spend reckless money just because I want to bail you. What is all this?
Don't worry.
What do you mean by don't worry?
Don't worry. The money is with me.
Which money?
The money that you gave to the policeman. This is not the money yet. The money now.
Who gave you the money?
I told you before we left the police station.
You stole it from the police again?
Yes, now. I just but since you said that I should not steal again, let me return it.
Come, my son, come. Bring the money. Bring it. It's complete, eh? And my son, you know what? Don't steal again, eh? What has happened has happened. Go and sit down. Just go.
Never, never do wrong before I start